Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video, I have a beautiful summer daily look. I created this look by using the Morphe 3502 palette. It is the Second Nature palette by Morphe. It's actually really beautiful. It's pigmented and the swatches are so gorgeous. It's a super creamy palette. For my first Morphe palette, I actually love it. If you guys want to learn how to do this look, continue watching. So I already have my foundation on and stuff, so we're gonna go straight into the eyeshadow. So the palette I'm going to be using today is the Morphe 3502. It is the Second Nature. It is super pretty. I'm going to take a crease brush. Crease brushes are like the best brush you can ever have. And I'm going to go in with the color Universal right here. We are going to take a couple dips in there and then we are going to apply this to the crease of the eye. And then we are going to blend that out. Just going to keep applying Universal until it like shows up a little bit. Now that I have Universal on, I'm going to go in with the color Orbi right here. We are just going to blend that in with Universal. Now that I have Universal and Orbi on my eyes, I'm going to get a eyeshadow brush and I'm going to go in with the color In the Zone here. I'm just going to do a couple dips and then we are going to apply that to the outer eye and then we are just going to blend this into the crease. And then we are just going to keep applying In the Zone until it like shows up as a rich dark color. We are just going to blend that with the rest of the eyeshadow. Just to the crease, do not go over the crease. We want to blend this towards the center of the eye a little bit. So the next color we want to dip into is Heat and Ablaze. These two colors right here. You want to dip a few times into them and then you want to apply this towards the center of the eye and then blend it out. After we mix these two together, we want to apply Heat by itself onto the center of the eye. And then blend it out. And then after we apply Heat, we want to go in with Ablaze. And we are going to apply that to the inner crease of the eye. I don't even know if I'm using the right words. And then we're going to go back in with In the Zone. And then just touch up. Okay, so now the next color I'm going to be using is a super dark charcoal color. We are going to take a few dips and then we are going to apply it on the outer eye to add some more dimension. We are going to mix that in with In the Zone. And then you just want to blend that into the crease. So for the bottom eyelash, we are going to go in with Heat. And we are only going to apply this towards the bottom outside eyes. Y'all know I'm not a real makeup artist if I don't know like the fucking points of the eyes. And then we are just going to blend this towards the center. Is it just me or like you guys have like a side that is just super sensitive to everything? My left side is extremely sensitive to everything. When I wax, it's more painful than my right side. When I do my bottom eyelashes, it freaking tickles more than my right side. Now the color you want to use is Ablaze. It's the orange color right next to Heat. We are just going to apply that towards towards the center of the eye, and then we are going to blend that in with Heat. Alright, and now we're just going to get our crease brush and blend this all out. We are going to take Pure right here, and we are going to apply this on top of Ablaze and Heat. Going to apply some on the brow bone. For highlighter, I'm going to use the Morphe palette, the same eyeshadow palette that we used to create this look, and I'm going to use the color Pure. The color Pure. So I already applied some highlighter on my highlighted spots, and I'm going to skip lipstick, and I will apply some mascara. I forgot about that too. That I'll be using is Voluminous Lash Paradise by L'Oreal. I'm not going to be applying falsies because I do not have any. This is the final look. I hope you guys like it. It's super cute. It's more of a fall look. Hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe.